Good morning to all. Already I had explained parts of speech. There are 8 main parts of a speech. They are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. Already I had taught you some definitions and also I had given some examples of part of a speech. Today we identify parts of speech. Some sentence you have to identify parts of speech. Anil is reading a book. In this sentence, what is the underlined word? Anil. Anil is noun because Anil is a boy. Anil is a person. What is noun? Noun is a name of a person, place, thing, animal. So in this sentence, Anil is noun because Anil is a person, one boy. And also book also one noun because book is a thing. Dog is a faithful animal. In this sentence, underlined word is dog. So we have to identify part of a speech. Dog is a animal. So dog is noun. Third sentence, I am small but smart. In this sentence, what is the underlined word? But. I am small but smart. But is conjunction. What is conjunction? Conjunction is a word which joins two words and also two sentences together. I am small is a sentence and I am smart also one sentence. Now we joined two sentences by but with but. So but is conjunction. He walks slowly. In this sentence, slowly is the underlined word. So slowly is adverb. What is adverb? An adverb is a word which modifies or describes verb or another adverb. Or an adverb is a word which gives more information about verb. He walks slowly. How does he walk? In this answer, you have to ask question. How does he walk? He walks slowly. So adverb is a word which gives more information about verb. In this sentence, what is the verb here? Walks. Here we added yes because here he walks used for he because he is singular third person. So we have to add yes from this verb. How does he walk? He walks slowly. Here slowly is adverb. Hooray! I have won the match. In this sentence, underlined word is hooray. Hooray is interjection. What is interjection? An interjection is a word used to express emotion or sudden feelings. Hooray, I have won the match. In this sentence, hooray is interjection. And this is interjection exclamation mark. I have won the match. Suppose you don't know anything. Suddenly somebody told you you won the match. Then what is the reaction of you? Hooray, I have won the match. So hooray is suddenly feeling. An interjection is a word used to express emotion or sudden feelings from your mind. So here hooray is interjection. She is singing. In this sentence, underlined word is singing. What is this? Identify part of a speech. Singing is a verb. Already I have told you what is verb. Verbs are action words or doing words. Singing also an action word. So singing is a verb. I have many toys in my bag. In this sentence, here underlined word is in. In is preposition. What is preposition? A preposition is a word placed before a noun or pronoun. Okay, in this sentence, what is the noun here? Bag, because bag is a thing. What is the pronoun here? I, but here I used in subject place. The pronoun preposition is a word placed before a noun or pronoun to express a relation to another noun, or a preposition is a word which shows relation between noun and pronoun. In this sentence, in is preposition. Preposition means position. I, but here I used in subject place. The pronoun preposition is a word placed before a noun or pronoun to express a relation to another noun, or a preposition is a word which shows relation between noun and pronoun. In this sentence, in is preposition. Preposition means position word. John is absent because he is ill. In this sentence, now we identify part of a speech. Here he is underlined word. So he is pronoun. He used for John. Here he used for John because John is a boy. What is pronoun? Pronoun is a word which used place of a noun. So in this sentence, John is noun. So we use he for John. Here he is pronoun. Iron and copper are useful metals. In this sentence, what is the underlined word here? Are. Here are is verb. Here are used for iron and copper. Here are used for plural. Here iron and copper plural. So here we use verb also are. Here are is verb. He is a brave boy. In this sentence, what is the underlined word? Brave. Brave is adjective. What is adjective? An adjective is a word which describes or modifies noun or pronoun. In this sentence, what is the noun here? Boy. Boy is a person. He is pronoun. So an adjective is a word which modifies or describes noun or pronoun. He is a brave boy. What is the quality of a boy? He is a brave boy. So brave is adjective. Wow, what a tall building. In this sentence, wow is interjection, and also this is exclamation mark. Ram and Hari are cousins. Here underlined word is and. And is conjunction. Already I have told you a conjunction is a word which joins two words and also two sentences together. Ram is a word, Hari is a word. So here and used for when you add two persons, two things. Here Ram is a person, Hari is a person. So we added here Ram and Hari with and. Here and is conjunction. Ram and Hari are cousins. Here and is conjunction. A little girl sat under a tree. Here under is underlined word. What is under? Identify part of a speech. Here under is preposition or position word. A little girl sat under a tree. Here a tree is noun and little girl also noun. Here sat is verb. Here under is preposition. A preposition is a word which shows relation between noun or pronoun. In this sentence, the tree is noun and a little girl is noun. So here under is preposition. I love myself. Here myself is pronoun. I love myself. I am going to market. Here market is a place, so market is noun. Market is a place where we buy vegetables and also other things. So market is a place, it is noun. That is my pen. In this sentence, pen is a thing and pen also noun. The child loves us. The child loves us. Here us is underlined word. Us is pronoun. The child loves. Here the child is singular third person. So we have to add yes from this verb. The child loves us. Pronouns like I, we, you, he, she, it, they, me, us, your, my, they, them. These are pronouns. Sometimes we'll get question, identify parts of a speech. Here suppose us. Us you have to write here pronoun. I think I hope you learn well. I think you clear also part of a speech. I discussed definition, examples, and also I explained some exercises. I hope you learn well. Thank you.